For today's comparison, you have the Lenovo Legion Y70 versus Motorola X30 Pro. Now let's begin. So the screen type, you have the P-OLED, which is made of plastic, versus the OLED screen. Refresh rate, they're both the same except for the X30, just slightly bit brighter. And for pixel density, they're both the same, just they're the same. Resolution, both are full HD. So pretty much so far there's no difference between the screen. 6.67 inches, 6.7, they're the same screen size. And protection, they're both the same. So you have the refresh rate. I'm giving it to the X30 for a better screen now for performance. For the processor, they're both using the same 2.2 GHz. That's the Chipset Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And GPU, yeah, they're gonna give you pretty graphics. Adreno 730, that's good. The system, they're both 5G running Android 12. And for the battery, yeah, the Legion 70 will give you a better battery life with the 5100 battery. Fast charging. The X30 is pretty fast, within 90 minutes full charge. That's fast. And the better performance definitely going to the Legion Y70. For the camera, 200 megapixel. That's gonna need a lot of storage. X30 has a telephoto lens. The X30 has a better camera, rear camera, but the 200 megapixel. Main video recording, they're both 8K, but you're gonna guarantee using the 4K mostly. And the selfie camera, the X30 is a lot larger. They're both 4K. So the X30, without doubt, has a better camera. Now for the storage. But there's no memory card. As I said, for the 200 megapixel, you're gonna need a lot of storage in the X30. The UFS 3.1, which is needed. And for the RAM, the Y70 will help boost the performance at 16 GB of RAM. And the storage, they're both 512. That's the reason why I'm giving the Legion Y70 the better performance. Design. That's as if you use a 16 RAM version. The X30 is coming lighter, 198 grams. Yes, they're both water resistant. Can't confirm IP ratings. The earphone jack, they're not supported. Same for radio, they are not supported. But they are both fully compact with a lot of sensors. NFCs in both. And fingerprint is in the display in the X30. I'm sure most of you will be going to the Motorola mostly. Bluetooth 5.2. I'm giving a better design to the Motorola really. Now for the results. Well, the motor is going to cost you a bit more, but I think it is a better option. The Legion Y70 has a better performance. Both devices the same storage, but the winner go to the Motorola X30. It has a better screen, better camera, and it has a better design. Comment below which one you prefer. See you in the next video, guys.